Hey, what's poppin'? I've got a special episode today where I'm going to be unboxing the new Bose Sport Open Earbuds. So let's get into this. Nice simple plastic takeoff. Actually no plastic at all on these, just some paper. Tells me you got Bose Open Audio trademark, situational awareness, secure, comfortable fit, sweat and weather resistant, up to 8 hours of playtime. This box feels nice. No extra like packaging or anything like that. It came just as we see here. All right. So we've got a booklet here, lots of paper. Bose Sport Open Earbuds start here. We'll come back to that later on. All right, so we've got, okay, looks like I opened them up the wrong way. All right, so this is pretty much the only plastic in here. All right, off the bat, this charge case is chunky. Definitely looks like a big pill. Let's open them up. All right, there we have it. These are the Bose Open Sport headphones. I picked these up primarily because what they're doing is providing a situation where you can put these more or less on top of your ear as opposed to in your ear. So they work more or less like a speaker just for you. And so I like that I wanted to just give a try to more of a sports oriented earbud. I've been looking to upgrade my current ones. Oh. So we've got the left earbud here. And there's no mistaking, these are not discreet really at all. Nice finish. Got the nice marking there for your left earbud. We've got the right. This is going to be the charging cord. Okay, this is very interesting. This whole charging port pad situation. This is super proprietary. Not necessarily a super fan of that, but just something to keep in mind. Got some additional paperwork here. Important safety instructions. We'll come back to that later on. Let's get these set up. So we've got the instructions on how to put them on. These do have a very unique look to them, so it's going to just take a moment just to take a look here. Press the button on the left earbud, then the right earbud. If the press doesn't work, charge the earbuds using charging base. Let's see if there is a charge already on these. Oh, it tells you to download the Bose app. That's nice. Okay, it's asking for Bluetooth access. Like that they had a brother on there. After you select all the terms of use, go ahead and hit agree. So now it's looking for my headphones. That pairing is really easy. I like that it's kind of like a sonar type of thing. And it just told me I'm connected. Oh, that's dope. When you finish setup, you get like this auditory cue to let you know that you're all done. So the setup is now complete. And it comes with a 70% charge. You gotta love that. Hey, thanks so much for joining me. This was just my unboxing. Stay tuned for a first impression / review video coming very soon where I give you more of kind of like my thoughts around where I think the tech is going, as well as what I think about from like an audio standpoint, as well as some more thoughts around the overall design. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. That way you can know when that review is available. And I'll see you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace.